Because I don't like the the other one, so I delete it. I deleted and started again. I wanna try it. I'm just gonna try it for 30 minutes. And then I'm done. I gotta go cook. Quality is not really good. Oh, my pimples so bad. My volume? Oh, okay. Which one? You have two options. I'll try this. How about that? Is it okay now? My volume? I think the microphone rail took HD definition audio. Something like that. I think that's the one. Is it loud now? How's my quality though? Is it crap or something? Ooh, ooh. Um, Maybe a little more. I'm gonna turn it all the way up, like that. I need to turn off the fan in the bathroom. That's loud. 70-ish. Oh, yuck. Why is it supposed to be 4K or something? Or 1080p at least. You can now live stream or something. Got 2 viewers. I'm gonna stop at 30 minutes. It take a while for my text to show up. Oh, it's delay. I don't know why. Let me type something. How fast is it? Oh, do I have to click it or something? Oh, why it says sign in to chat? Do I have to sign in? I can't type because it says so I have, if I like blur my band. What happened to my band is blurred. It's delay. I can't. I think I can't like reply to the comments because it's signed into chat. It says, and I'm scared to click everything or something. I'm gonna try it only 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And I'm start figuring out where I should. My camera is glitchy. The screen has those lines. Can you see it through the monitor? My camera is glitchy. The screen. Can you see it there? I can see it through here. That's glitchy. No. I don't know why this is glitchy. Oh, my pen is blurry. Maybe it's gonna do that. How can we screen capture? Sign in. It says cannot confirm inside Streamlab OBS. So I cannot. Yeah.
You can go ahead and dry your clothes. Mine aren't dry yet, but I threw them in my basket because I have to run to Lisa's. So
Okay.
when I get back, I'll finish drying them.
No. Really? Wait.
There's too much light.
It's cold.
No, just wind. Like, I think our window's open. You don't know how to sign in? I'm confused. Why'd you give up? Bam, there it is.
What did you do? I'll try.
Just click sign in. How's that?
Oh.
But it is a huge delay. Let's see if... I saw a latency setting. I don't remember if that was in YouTube or on this. Oh, that light's too much.
That's low. The lowest settings of lights. That's why I need a cable so that I can use my ring light. And my tripod. Down here. Put my camera a little bit far from me. Or maybe I can put my camera on the top of my computer.
Mm.
9:30 I start cooking. I gotta go eat before we go. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be moody. If I need to eat something.
Okay, that is not how you change it. There we go. Don't know why you have to do it that way. Kind of dumb. Want some analytics? There are none. Stream. Oh, here it is. So I want low latency. But there's no setting really, so let's just make it go away. What? Yeah, okay. So you open in a web browser, then there it is. It's the only option. But you can type. Okay. Can I change these settings? No, I don't want that. Where's actual OBS settings?
That is live.
Yeah, I don't care. Can't change nothing while you're in it. Nothing seems to be latency related. I don't get why there's latency. Definitely not an internet problem. No. Nope. No. Yeah, so it's none of that. So yeah, no idea why. What mic is it using? The Realtek?
Yeah.
I'm gonna want to go through NVIDIA broadcast. Done. Blah. Okay, so seems to still be working. I don't know how it sounds though. Guess there is a way to find out. I don't care about an EVGA tweet. You just disable everything from Twitter because who cares? Like, oh my god, someone said something. Doesn't need to cover my screen. You're weird. Okay. Volume. Said something.
Hi. Hi, sis.
Doesn't need to cover my screen.
Hello. We're trying to figure out this live stream.
Just playing with all the options. Okay, so if you open up broadcast and you go to microphone.
Was it the microphone?
Okay, noise removal. Okay. So even with the bathroom fan on. Okay, even with the bathroom fan on, it should be quiet now.
Really?
Yep. Also, if anyone gets all noisy. Wow, you can like totally tell I need to shower.
Why?
See the oily hair? Actually, it's not all that oily. Bedhead. Okay, and if you close this, it should actually still be open, but I'll just minimize it. There. Now you can type to people.
Okay.
It's still going to be that huge delay.
Maybe I can do like this, sitting from here. Where's my phone?
Whatever you want.
It's blurry. I need to type it. I'm blurry. Is it blurry? Not really. I need to get my phone. Okay. Hi, Sis Yam. Hello. Tinatry ko lang tong, what do you call it? Itong camera kung paano gamitin sa live stream. Gusto lang siyang itry. Ayun, pwede na pala akong mag-type ng live stream. Wait, tingnan natin. Ang lamig kasi sa ano. Lamig kasi dito sa malamig sa room. Ooh, it's cold. Try ko mag-type. There you go. Uy, pwede na akong mag-type. It's like delayed or something. Whew, cold. Cold. Cold is cold. Cold. Kailangan ko. Wait lang. Sarado ko yung bintana. Malamig. Go. Ugh. Ang lamig. 30 minutes na ba? Malapit ako.